喺影片開始之前，如果你仲未訂閱呢個頻道嘅話，就記得喺下邊撳 subscribe 呢個 channel 啦。當呢21個目標寫好咗之後呢，我哋就嚟進入電子手帳嘅部分啦。先嚟回答一下大家先前喺呢一個電子手帳設計嘅影片裏面呢，好多人都問我呢一個嘅字體喺邊度下載嘅呢？答案係冇得下載嘅呢一個字體，因為呢一個呢係我自己整出嚟嘅字體嚟嘅，係我本人手寫嘅字。咁呢，我會將呢一個檔案呢擺喺下邊資訊欄啦，大家可以下載去使用。如果你 download 咗覺得好用嘅話，又或者你根本冇用，只係想請我飲杯咖啡嘅話呢，歡迎大家打開呢一個網站嘅連結呢，去支持一下我嘅。我今年呢2021嘅手帳係咁樣嘅，我用咗 Pantone 嘅灰色同黃色，一個好簡單以實用為主嘅設計。咁而今次呢，我都加咗 Hyperlink， 如果你撳月份嘅話呢，就會直接飛到去嗰版噶啦。因為上年呢冇呢一個 Hyperlink 呢，我覺得每一次要揾翻之前嗰個月呢好麻煩啊，咁所以呢個就會比較直接同方便啲。咁啱啱嗰個2020反省同2021目標嘅頁面呢，我係咁樣嘅。撳側邊嘅位置咧，你可以加多一頁落去嘅，咁我會將嗰個另外嘅 PDF 擺喺下邊啦。之後咧喺呢個位置咧有一個目標頁嘅，咁你就可以將啱啱你寫低嗰21個目標咧分拆咧去每一個月裏面，作為嗰個月嘅目標，有12個月，一定能夠完成得到嘅。我就喺我 Muji 嘅手帳裏面已經提前做咗安排㗎啦。咁喺電子版嘅月計劃呢，我自己就會用嚟做日記啦，又或者係感恩記錄嘅。咁而最好呢，就係佢可以好容易咁樣加上。咁呢度我就快速前進。
Still recall the first time I saw you. I was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast. Went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms. I used to be afraid to fall in love. Past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, showed me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your smell wrapped in my bed sheets. Don't wanna wash it away. I know sometimes I get too caught up in all of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me. I used to be afraid to fall in love. A past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all.
今次嘅 Weekly Planner 咧有2個版本嘅，大家可以自由選擇。咁如果你想刪咗另外一個版本咧，只要去翻嗰個4個框框嗰度就可以刪咗嗰一版噶啦。
Show me how to heal and now
最後咧就係我成日用嘅日計劃啦。咁我一邊咧就係會前一晚咧就寫好噶啦，另外一邊咧就係當日實際進行我幾點到幾點做咗啲乜嘢。我覺得咁樣咧可以更加好去比較自己嘅安排，更加了解自己點樣運用啲時間。
Used to be afraid until I met you. I was insecure, caught up in the pain, but you showed me how to heal. Took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain.
咁咧，希望大家咧會中意今日嘅影片啦。我亦都咧會將所有嘅 link 咧擺喺下邊資訊欄嘅，歡迎大家去下載使用。記得如果你下載咗嘅話，喺下邊留言同我分享你覺得好唔好用啦。或者如果你想支持我嘅話，記得去請我飲咖啡。以上就係我2020嘅反思同埋對2021期待嘅計劃啦。其實咧有好多嘢咧好想去完成，好多嘢想去 plan 啦，但係冇人能夠預計咧今年係咪真係會比上年2020好，或者以前某一年更加好。最重要嘅咧就係我哋而家全力以赴做好自己嘅本分，做好自己能夠控制到嘅嘢就 OK 啦。所以2021我哋大家一齊去加油啦！希望你會中意今日嘅影片，如果中意嘅話，記得俾個手指公我。想睇下其他影片，記得喺呢邊撳 subscribe 呢個 channel 啦。再個中意嘅話，唔記得分享俾朋友仔睇。我哋下次再見，拜。
Walk with me. Let's leave